Arguments and conflict between husband and wife often raise questions. Where do these clashes come from, and how can couples overcome them? People often say that destiny brings two people together and effort keeps them together. Meeting is arranged by heaven, but staying is the choice of two hearts. Through mutual effort, a single encounter becomes a bond that lasts decades or even a lifetime. Yet no one knows how long destiny will last, 1 year, 5 years, or forever. Because of that, we must cherish and hold tightly what heaven has gifted us, for in just a moment, it can be lost. People say no bond is deeper or more meaningful than the destiny of a married couple. The affection between husband and wife is loyalty, righteousness, and the foundation of how a husband and wife should treat each other. To strangers, choosing to share a life is one of the closest and most sacred human connections. A married couple becomes a home. A home is where love gathers, a cradle for growth, a shelter for the soul, a joyful garden where one can truly be oneself. Without harmony in a family, there can be no stability in society. Without peace at home, there can be no order in the world. Therefore, people say, a harmonious family leads to prosperity in all things. But in real life, marriage is not always peaceful. Couples often argue not just once or twice, but repeatedly. So, why do couples argue so often? What are the true causes? Understanding these reasons can help reduce unnecessary conflicts and build a happier home. One common cause is differences in viewpoints and a lack of listening. Many couples place their egos too high. Neither side wants to compromise, and each believes they are right. Without listening to what the other truly feels and needs, arguments naturally arise. Disagreements about spending money or parenting often amplify this tension. Money is a major factor affecting marital harmony. When one spouse spends excessively or wastefully, the other may feel upset or insecure. Couples facing financial disputes should learn to plan their monthly expenses together, clearly listing what will be spent, what will be saved, and avoiding reckless spending that causes stress at the end of each month. Another surprisingly common reason for conflict is food preferences. It may sound trivial, but differences in taste can cause irritation. One likes a dish the other dislikes, and frustration builds. Food is a personal preference, but when living together, compromise is necessary. Some marriages even end in divorce because the couple cannot harmonize their lifestyles or tastes. To ease this issue, each person can avoid eating dishes their partner dislikes when dining together, and instead enjoy them with friends. On other occasions, a fourth major cause is conflicting parenting styles. Men and women often approach parenting differently. Some may push children toward sports, others toward art. Arguments arise because each believes their approach is best, but constant conflict harms children emotionally. Couples should calmly discuss their viewpoints, listen to each other, prioritize the child's interests, and seek advice from experienced family members when needed. Beyond practical issues, traditional beliefs also highlight spiritual causes. Some couples clash frequently because their zodiac signs are incompatible. Even if they deeply love each other, every conversation seems to lead to conflict, like a dog and cat. That is why many parents consult astrologers before arranging marriages, to avoid strong zodiac clashes. Another cause is the 5 ghosts direction in Feng Shui, believed to bring misfortune, arguments, health issues, or danger. Poor home layout, such as choosing the wrong house direction, incorrect bed placement, or improper alignment of rooms, may also disrupt harmony. In a modern sense, this reflects how environment can affect a couple's emotional stability. Personality clashes also play a major role. In today's society, ego is often inflated. When both spouses insist on being right, unwilling to yield, small issues escalate into major conflicts. So how can couples resolve ongoing clashes and create a warm, peaceful household? One method is adjusting Feng Shui, choosing directions compatible with each spouse's zodiac, fixing the kitchen direction, adjusting the altar placement, or realigning the bedroom. Each person has for auspicious and for inauspicious directions, and understanding these can bring more harmony. Another method is having a child whose zodiac sign harmonizes the parents, believed to reduce conflict. Changing sleeping positions can also help switching sides so the wife sleeps on the outside and the husband inside, which some Feng Shui practitioners say reduces infidelity energy. Additionally, couples can improve harmony by adjusting home elements, ensuring the kitchen is stable, arranging the right side of the home to represent discipline, keeping the bedroom door facing open space for fresh energy, and avoiding bathroom doors facing bedrooms. But beyond all spiritual or environmental factors, emotional discipline is essential. Couples must learn to control their emotions. Most arguments occur because neither spouse restrains their anger. When upset, silence or taking space is better than throwing hurtful words that injure the heart of the one we love. Compromise also plays an essential role. One word of patience brings 9 blessings. Winning or losing an argument is meaningless. Harmony is what maintains a happy home. Understanding each other is another powerful remedy. When you put yourself in your partner's shoes, you understand their fears, pressures, and struggles, making sympathy and peace come more naturally. After each argument, couples should talk openly. Silence builds resentment. Discussing misunderstandings calmly, acknowledging mistakes, and improving together can strengthen the bond. The best time to make peace is often at bedtime when hearts are soft and walls come down. Share your feelings, your hopes, and apologize when necessary. And never argue in front of others. Doing so invites shame, judgment, and deeper wounds. Private conflicts must be resolved privately. Outsiders often make things worse. Stoic philosophy teaches that for a marriage to be peaceful, both must practice training the tongue, speaking kindly, avoiding hurtful words, cultivating patience, and nurturing compassion daily. It takes 100 years of cultivation to share a boat, and 1,000 years to share a pillow. Destiny brings two lives together. Effort keeps them together. Meeting is fate, but staying is responsibility. The bond between husband and wife is the deepest human connection, stronger than friendship, more intimate than kinship. Cherish it, protect it, and avoid hurting each other through harsh words or impulsive anger. As today's lesson ends, may each couple treasure their bond, choose patience over pride, kindness over conflict, and nurture their home with warmth and understanding. At Stoicism Philosophy Daily, we bring you lessons to help you live more peacefully, understand yourself better, and love more deeply. Each story, each philosophy guides you back to inner peace and the art of living happily in a turbulent world. Please continue to accompany us to nurture wisdom, compassion, and peace every day.